Every December 7th is set aside by the International Civil Aviation Organization to celebrate the World Aviation Day, and it focuses drawing attention to the aviation sector. Nigeria, as a key player in the African continent, has consistently championed the cause for investment in the aviation sector. This year, with the theme Leaving No Country Behind, one of Nigeria's foremost aviation industry or airlines, Ibom Air, situated in the city of Akwa Ibom State, in line with the Christmas Unplugged 2.0, is celebrating this amazing day. And of course, the essence is to draw attention to the growth, the advancement, the development of the aviation sector. And of course, pointing the searchlight on Ibom Air as the only leading airline in Nigeria as we speak. Behind me are key stakeholders within the aviation sector, including the chairman, Ibom Air, and other key professionals within the Ibom Air brand. Of course, we also have members of the State Excos, the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Charles Uda, of course, the SSA to the Governor of Akwa Ibom State on project and documentation, Dr. Etienne Dueso, among other amazing dignitaries are here seated with me. And of course, the generality of Akwa Ibom people are here to celebrate the World Aviation Day. And so, we lead you into the entertainment, the fun, the thrills, and the performances happening live on stage. This is Francis Aiden, reporting live for Spectrum Television. Stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the
welcome. Very Merry Christmas to all of us here. Merry Christmas in advance to our teaming passengers, stakeholders. A very big Christmas to our state, Akwa Ibom State, to our governor, Pastor Maino. A very big Christmas to the world. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of us to the Ibom Air Day at the Christmas Village. This is a day unlike any that you have around here. Can I make a boast? Because we're going to give you a fragrance that is called Ibom Air, a touch that only Ibom Air can give, and I hope for you to live and celebrate the Christmas. There has never been a year without a December. There has never been a December without a Christmas. And I dare add, there can never be a Christmas without Ibom Air. Why, you may ask? We connect the dots, we bring people from far and near to celebrate, to meet their loved ones. And that's what we're doing to our state, making it a destination of choice. The other day I was coming through the airport. The airports are full. Everybody is coming into you, and Ibom Air is the issue. So tonight we have come to celebrate the birth of Christ, our own ways. Christmas is about the birth of Christ, the gift that God gave to the world. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish. So Ibom Air is here to express the spirit of Christmas by giving. The program we have tonight is packed with a lot of freebies, a lot of talent show, like the young man that has just displayed an incredible talent. We're here to put on open display that we are giving back to society, we're giving back to our stakeholders, we're giving back this moment for you to share with us and celebrate with us. And all I can ask you, loosen up, free yourself. Whatever you do, make sure you enjoy tonight, as I will. Once again, I'd like to thank His Excellency for creating the Christmas experience in our state. I'd like to thank the Honorable Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Sir Charles Udo, for adding a touch to the celebration of Christmas. And I'd like to thank all of you for coming out to be with us. This is not going to be a dull moment, I can promise you that. Make sure that by the end of the day, you increase your velocity, you fly, because that's what Ibom Air does. And we're going to give you the frequency. Once again, a very, very Merry Christmas, Ibom Airway, and welcome.
wave your hands if you feel like it.
Receive our King. Let every heart prepare, and heaven and nature sing, 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 and
If you don't clap, you don't go combo.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Same to you in advance.
You are the brain behind all that is happening today at the Christmas village, and today is set aside to also give Ibom Air the opportunity to celebrate with Akwa Ibom people and customers. How does it feel to join in the celebration and be the brain behind it?
Well, point of correction, I'm not the brain behind this. The brain behind this is His Excellency the Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Omo Baseno. What I'm doing here is simply interpreting his vision, making it become a reality. All credit will go to him. But first, all credit will go to God, and then, of course, next credit will go to the Governor of Akwa Ibom State.
Okay, so as the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, Ibom Air as a brand is very strategic, so bringing people in and out of Akwa Ibom State. What are your expectations for Ibom Air as a brand as we get into 2025?
My expectations are nothing far from where they are already. I see Ibom Air as becoming the dominant airline within the West African coastline, becoming the go-to airline for partnership with international airlines. I see Ibom Air being a dominant force, not just in Nigeria, but in West African sub-region. I see Ibom Air taking advantage of the aviation hub that government of Akwa Ibom State is trying to create to dominate.
So what is your word of advice to customers all over Nigeria and all over the continent of Africa in 2025?
Well, if you want prompt service, you want to get to where you are going to on time, no disappointment, with reliability, there's only one airline to trust, and that's Ibom Air.
Okay, let's talk about Christmas Unplugged 2.0. What's on the street is that this is bigger than it was last year. What is the brain behind it and why?
Well, clearly, last year, you recall that His Excellency the Governor promised Akwa Ibomites that this year, Christmas Unplugged 2.0 is going to be bigger and better. And like I said earlier, my business is to interpret his vision and make it a reality. And so, as his chief servant in the tourism sector, my team and I didn't leave any stone unturned to make sure that we make it bigger and better with content, with execution, with outlook. And you can see the crowd. Of course, people are falling over themselves. As I sat here, some corporate body has called, they want to sponsor. And I'm telling them, look, hold on. Okay, we need to discuss tomorrow morning. That's how big it has become.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's World Civil Aviation Day. It's marked every 7th of December, and it's an opportunity for us in the aviation space to educate the public on what the rules and regulation within the aviation industry is. And so we're going to put out a lot of informative things on the internet, and we're using the opportunity to celebrate with Akwa Ibom State because it's a significant day for us, and we thought this was the best day to celebrate at the Christmas village.
Okay. Your chairman has spoken to the fact that there are a lot of plans in the oven for next year, and would like to ask, are we expecting the launch of more regional routes as part of your plans?
Oh, certainly. Definitely you see the launch of several regional routes because we pride ourselves as a world-class African regional carrier, and we've already established the gap. I mean, we've come to, see the gap within the African travel space, and we're, coming up with plans to bridge that gap, just like we did in Nigeria. We just don't want to go into the region. We want to go there strategically. So we're going to come into the region, and we're going to come in powerfully.
So what should your customers expect in 2025?
What we always promise them, which is schedule reliability, on-time departures, and excellent service all round.
Thank you so much.
And of course, to everyone that has stayed true to us in the last 12 months, we're wishing them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to be back home. I've been playing guitar for 23 years now. I know there's plenty of my never born. So from Ikotapa initiative, now local government area, I did my primary and secondary in Ibom State, in my village, hometown. Are we talking now? So let's go to the next song. You ready? Sure. This one is more than ladies.
the foremost professionals that we have. How does it feel to sit here celebrating Ibom Air as we mark the 2024 International Civil Aviation Day?
It gives me great pleasure. I'm satisfied, I'm fulfilled, I'm happy to see such great joy. I mean, this is what, over the years, we've looked at where we could have an aviation system being properly expressed, and I think with Ibom Air and the job they are doing, when I look back, I have great satisfaction.
Well, satisfaction is the best thing that customers look out for. And I know you have flown Ibom Air for a long time.
Yes.
What is their customer service like?
Well, if you look at this space, there is none to compare with Ibom Air, so they are the best, the very best.
What would be your advice to airline customers as we go into 2025 as far as Ibom Air is concerned? Your advice to customers as we get into 2025?
The customers don't need a lot of advice. They don't have a lot of choice. So they know that the customers will always go to who offers them what they want. So far, Ibom Air is offering them the best of service. So let them just do what they are doing. Go to Ibom Air and they will be satisfied.
All right, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Ibom Air has created, generated, sustained the momentum, and is increasing and progressing by the day. That is pride to us. We are happy that something good can be identified with our efforts. That's why I'm here. I've not really taken a serious look at their customer relation. What I know is that their schedules are prompt. Their deliveries are very much intact. So whatever happens, people want to have schedules which are not changed. When they say they will fly by this time, they will fly by that time, that takes care of whatever customer relations. Wherever there is any shortcoming, the most important thing is that schedules are stable. When they say they will fly, they will fly. So these are the issues which have attracted customers to them. That also makes the work of customer relations officers less.
Yeah, I think Ibom Air symbolizes a true Akwa Ibom spirit of determination, of focus, and of leadership. As a matter of fact, anybody that is a true Akwa Ibom son will always be proud of the feat attained by Ibom Air in just a few years. We've seen that Ibom Air has taken a stand as the leadership brand as far as aviation services is concerned in Nigeria, in terms of service efficiency in service delivery, timeliness, and of course, smooth transmission of passengers from one location to the other. As we speak, everybody in Nigeria craves to have Ibom Air bed in its airport, and that is because of the news that has, of course, enveloped from wherever Ibom Air is having its roots. So as an Akwa Ibom person, I'm happy with the governor of Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Moino, for sustaining the vision. And of course, I'm also happy with the former governor, Mr. Dome Emmanuel, whose vision materialized the advent of Ibom Air. Together, we must support this, our own brand, to continue to excel. As we speak right now, the contemplation is that the airline is going on regional services, and we must encourage it to succeed in that direction.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
Yes, for today we are entertained, we are thrilled. What they are doing today is more or less their own CSR, community, their own giving back to the society. For all that we have done to support, this night is for them to also celebrate us, and we are happy that they also recognize the importance of the customers in their business.
We want to introduce a team from Akwa Ibom Tech Week. Akwa Ibom is fast becoming a tech hub, and this year we tried to do something a little bit different with Akwa Ibom Tech Week. We introduced the Ibom Air Innovation Challenge. So please, somebody clap for Ibom Air now. Clap, 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 clap. But without taking much time, I'd like to introduce the team from Tech Week to talk about the Innovation Challenge. Then I'll have on stage my executives from Ibom Air to do a presentation. Take it away, Hanson.
We had the first of its kind in Ibom Ibom Innovation Challenge, and Ibom Air sponsored the Innovation Prize for Aviation. And at the end of that particular exercise, we had 3 top innovators that came up with a solution for the aviation sector. And the problem they were solving was such that people with disability that normally have challenges going and disembarking from the aircraft or boarding the aircraft, they will be able to have easy access as if they don't have any challenge. And I will call on Mr. Stanley Igwe, the Group ICT Manager for Ibom Air, to present these winners to us.
Okay, to present the winners, I'd like to call on the EDCOO of Ibom Air, Mr. George Uriesi, and to accompany him is the CFO of Ibom Air, Mr. Ofombuk Akban, and also the Director of Airline Services Ibom Air.
Team Easy Flight, your award.
This is the third. Okay.
Team Easy Flight.
Team Easy Flight, congratulations. And here's your award. Is anybody taking photographs? All right. Congratulations and well done. Well done, guys.
Okay. Team Wheel Access. Team Wheel Access. Team Wheel is Access. Congratulations to you. This is the prize for. Inside here is a token to support your initiative and to appreciate your efforts in the exercise. Congratulations. And the grand prize for the winner of the Ibom Tech Week Innovation Challenge, Next Generation.
Okay. Next Gen Innovators. You know, these people, the sponsorship of innovation is a very important thing for Akwa Ibom and even for Nigeria. We have people who are so smart. I met these guys a few days ago. These guys are the smartest people in this state. They've invented something that is fantastic, and we need to support them. And because of what I saw with them, because of what we saw with them, we are now going to do so much more to encourage innovation. You know, we love the fact that we have a lot of engineers in Nigeria, but what do we see every day? You will be seeing a Ibom every time a governor is launching something. When we have people who can do things, and in Akwa Ibom we are doing a lot of things, and we are going to do more. So I want to congratulate these 3 young gentlemen. They are fantastic eggheads. You guys have done a great job. Well done. We're very, very proud of what you guys have done, you and your other colleagues, and I congratulate you, okay? Please, let this help you. And continue to innovate, continue to do wonderful things. You are fantastic guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The team from Ibom Air.
Ibom! I'm very much on the sun. When I say Iba, you say Udo, Iba. Yo, am I go come now? Go to Iba, Udo, come now for the West. Oh, DJ, let's go to the next track. I'm on a move. It's just a little bit of a job. Real Jimmy, you go and you know it don't feel. Never do want to do what to say that people get up and get one of the one. Now be that. We know. Now be that. Go DJ, man, I know. See the family, I don't do what to know. Look at the band as you get the more. Another day you're breaking. Boy, I'm cool. I know when to. Yeah, life the replay for the game to. Take care from one end so we get to. I'm on way to. Jazz on the end, that's a way to. Steady moving better than what I relate to. Big fans and my fans and change to. Everybody say, man. Everybody on the mic. Everybody Kill them with the vibe, with the leg, and the shake, bump, bump.
The number of aircraft.
Totally number of the aircraft.
Only 2 planes we didn't get. Okay, you say 4. 4. Wow.
9.
Wow.
9. You will go for.
Wow. 9. Because this one said 9. Hey, you know. Who is correct? Ladies and gentlemen, I think we have a first winner tonight. Ibom Air has 9 aircraft and she's the first to say it. 9! Oh, yeah, stand this way.
Whoa.
All right then. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you, me plenty.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. Now all of you now win. Ode.
Yeah.
Officer.
What?
All of you now stay for a group photograph.
Stay for group photograph.
If you haven't flown Ibom Air, not to worry, you will fly soon.
And stand
in
up.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
In Jesus' name. All
Please,
right.
Hold it.
Take a bow. Take a bow.
Hold it very well with a smile.
All right.
Thank you.
For helping us. Grateful to the state governor, Pastor Minor, for all the support. We're grateful to our passengers, the regulators, and the board, the management, the staff. Everybody that has worked very hard to make it prepare what it is today deserves our special appreciation.
Now, with this year's celebration, the theme is leaving no country behind. I know that Ibom Air has plans to expand its coverage area to regional flights. You started with Ghana. What plans do you have as you go into 2025 in terms of regional routes?
2025 will see us at more international destinations. We have used 2024 to prepare for this. That's why we brought in new planes to be able to increase our frequency and destination. So 2025 will expand to the West Coast. We expand to Cameroon and to the countries on the West Coast. Yes, 2025 is a year that our passengers to look forward to for international flights. Don't forget that the international wing of the airport, Victor Otai International Airport, will be ready in 2025. So that will help us to be able to connect these international destinations.
Okay, so I know that the team also focuses on capacity building for staff and personnel of airlines. I also know that the Akwa Ibom State Governor and the government has invested in that direction. Are we going to be seeing a lot more in that sector being
Definitely now. We are training pilots, we are training engineers. Of course, you can't put a plane in the sky without the manpower to man the flight. And these are regulated issues. There's a minimum number of people you can have as your staff or as crew on a flight. They have a maximum number of hours they fly. And so, without adequate human capacity, you may not be able to expand your fleet, expand your destinations, because these are regulated. There's a limit to the number of hours that a crew member can fly. So that means you have to have even spare capacity to deploy, especially as you're expanding with more fleet. You have to have the manpower. So we are up to the game.
Now the last question, for your customers, as you celebrate this year, what is your word of advice to them as concerns patronizing Ibom Air?
More excitement from our corner in 2025 to all our passengers. We are committed to excellence in service. We are committed to giving you delight, a flying experience. We are committed to keeping our mantra of on-time departure. We are committed to being the best airline all year round. 2025 is a year to watch out. We welcome our passengers into 2025. With Ibom Air, you can be sure that 2025 will be a year to be remembered.
Want to take some selfies? I love you guys. Hit me. Everybody call me. Aquabom people call me. Aquabom people call me. The people that don't love me. Say who your people that call 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 me. Say who your people that
Akwa Ibom State gathered here at the Christmas Village, where the Akwa Ibom State government is celebrating the 2025 Christmas Unplugged 2.0. And today, 7th of December 2024, was allocated to Ibom Air to give back to the community of customers and indeed Akwa Ibom people and the entire world as we mark the 2024 Civil Aviation Day, or World Aviation Day as the case may be. A lot of artists have performed, from Imbaudo to Fioki and lots of others. And of course, the crown of the moment would be the live performance by Timaya, one of the finest out of Nigeria. And of course, as we said, Ibom Air has consistently promised that come 2025, the customers will continue to enjoy quality and excellent service in terms of airline operations in Akwa Ibom State and Nigeria. And of course, with expectations high about the launch of regional flights, there is a lot more to see in the year 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, courtesy
reporting
of
live
Ibom
for
Air
Spectrum Television.
on
And this
Christmas
is us
Unplugged
from Ibom Air
2.0.
and Akwa
While
Ibom
the
State
securities
wishing
line
you
up here,
a Merry
let's
Christmas
welcome
and a
the
Happy New
one,
Year.
the only, Nas.
This is one of my biggest events ever. I just want to say a very big thank you to Ibom Air for anyone. Okay, the one I give is just some things that I just put up in my head. Let me just do this one so that we all can sing together. Looks like we made it, and of course flowers come, my baby. We might have took a long way back. We knew we get the death, but just look out this morning.